Another boring day. Hey, come over here. What do you want? Huh? Don't want to get a coffee. No, I don't tell yet, but I am just going to home, so don't go anywhere. This is your 90 day. You know that? Yes, yes. Bye. I wish I would go home, but I can't. Hee hee, I escaped from the work. Haha. I hope you know. Wait, I know her, but I can't. But let's ask her. Hey, did I know you? That should be okay. But let's. She's in there, so let's go. Hey, I'm asking you. You want any lift or something? So this is night, right? So if you want, make sure tell me. So because I'm going home, I'm a police. I feel very safe. It's not that safe to go home alone. You know that? Oh, okay, but just come. It's okay. I'll be fine. Let's go. But let's go. Never mind. But no, go. Let's go. Hey, are you? Come on. Oh, sorry. Ouch! Stop. Oh, watch your eyes, bro. Wires hit my car. I'm sorry, sir. There's a little dry. Um, I'm sorry, husband. It's okay. Your lung looks nice. Yes, I know. Okay, got you. Come on, bye bye. Bye bye. I hope you see you soon.